Hi, my name is Tian Liu. I'm sorry that my internet just got disconnected from from my home. And here's the part B of the problem 8. And firstly, we need to set that the situation of the T1 should be the T2 larger or equals to T1, and we will have the xt1 equals to xt1 minus x0, and xt2 minus xt1 are independent, right? So for the rt1, t2, we will have the expect value of the xt1 multiplied by xt2, right? So it will comes out to be we need to have one part of the xt2 minus xt1, so we need to modify it. Modify the xt2 part to make it have one xt2 minus xt1 plus xt1. So we can go separate of it, which will equals to xt2 minus x sorry. It should be the expected value of xt1 multiplied by expected value of the xt2 minus xt1 plus the expected value of the xt1 square. Yeah, I think that's it for this part. And write it from the expected value, but we have to calculate the expected value of the x square, which is do the one more integral of that, which will lead to 1 plus lambda multiplied by lambda. I think it's quite easy because it's did in the homework before. And so for this one, we will have the x squared t will equals to 1 plus lambda t multiplied by lambda t. So for this one, we will become the lambda t1 multiplied by lambda t2 minus lambda t1, and plus the 1 plus lambda t1 multiplied by lambda t1, and well becomes the square t1 t2 minus lambda square t1 square plus the lambda t1 plus lambda t1 square, and do the elimination. We will have the lambda t1 t2 plus lambda square t1 t2 plus lambda t1, which brings the lambda out, will be the t1 t2 lambda t1 t2 plus t1. And for t1 larger or equals to t2, it'll be similar, but for this part, we will have the x1 minus xt1 minus xt2 become independent. So just to remodify it, it's quite similar, that we can have come out like this one. xt1 minus xt2 plus xt2 square. Oh, sorry. Right? And we can remodify it. It should be like this. Should be like lambda t1 t2 plus t2. And we can see that when the t1 is less than T2, it will be T1. When T2 less than T1, it will be T2. So it will be, so we can write the form like this one. T1, T2, and plus the lambda T1, T2. And that's it for the homework 7 problem 8 part B. Thank you.